Hello, my name is Nick Brattan, President of New England Document Systems in Manchester, New Hampshire. Unfortunately, one of my employees came in contact with an individual that had COVID-19 positive test. That evening, as soon as we found out, we had the building evacuated and I called Soil Away. They responded immediately the next day and sanitized our entire building. They did a fabulous, wonderful job. And as I stated, very promptly. This is a very stressful time for all of us. I'm so stressed I'm growing a COVID-19 mustache. But on the serious side, it allowed my remaining employees that are coming to work to come back to a safe environment, and that I am very thankful for. So good luck to you all, and my hat's off to Soil Away. They really saved the day. Thank you.